All right, so Taylor Swift wants to find out how much fans enjoyed the Eras Tour. She will ask fans from 1 to 100, where 100 is most. How much did you enjoy the concert? The VIP section she wants to survey has 50 seats, 5 rows, 10 columns. The stage runs along the northern edge of the venue, where Taylor is pictured. She wants to take a sample of 10 fans. So we have 3 different sampling methods. So our first one is a simple random sample of 10 fans. So let's explain the steps on how to do an SRS. So step 1 is going to be to label. Assign each seat a number. So label the seats 1 through 50. So we can do that, but can we just do row 1 and then go from there? Be like, okay, I know this is 11. I know this is 20. Just to kind of get an idea. Because I don't want to have to number all of these. Just to get an idea. So we're going to select fans by using a random number generator. So step 2 is going to be use random number generator. In one of the previous classes, we did the calculator's random number generator and found out it's not so random. There's kind of programming that caused everyone to get the same thing. So it wasn't random for us. So we use that random.org. Step 3 is going to be to select the people in corresponding seats. And since we want to find the average, we'll find the average of their enjoyment, just those 10 people. Okay, so go ahead and open up your computer and go to random.org. And you can work with your partner to get your numbers if y'all want to help each other out. Just make sure each person gets 10 numbers each. And then mark those. Yeah, mark them. So you get your 10, I'll get my 10.
We do 10?
Yes, do 10. If you already get that number, don't mark it down twice. So we need samples. Each of you needs a sample so that we have a good sample size among us. So you get 10, your neighbor gets 10, okay? And mark those down so each person has 10. Okay, so then it says method 2. Are we ready for method 2?
Yeah.
Okay, method 2 is going to be choosing 2 fans from each of the horizontal rows. So here are our horizontal rows. So this is called a stratified random sample. So it's a simple random sample, but instead of all 50, we're going to break it down into rows and do our random choices from those 5 rows. So this is where we have the strata. How we're separating is our rows. So whenever I do our random number generator, I no longer do 1 through 50. I need to change that. Cut to, how many are in each row? 10. And then I'm going to do 2 from each row. Go ahead and mark those. If you need to write, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know why I won't do this. Oh, 9, 10. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to generate. So row 1, pick 2. Then the next row, pick 2.
Use 2 for each row. I got 9 4 times.
Yeah, just ignore it if it comes
Are
up
you
twice.
randomly choosing a fan, like
On each row. So I did 1 through 10.
Yeah. So I got.
And so each row I hit generate twice and then mark them.
Okay.
Then I go to row 2, hit it twice, mark them.
Oh, maybe.
So I got 2 super reserves.
So you should only have 2 selected per row now. The first one was completely randomized. Like it was the 1 through 50, just 10, 1 through 50. So that bottom right-hand corner didn't really get much action.
Mine are all on the right side.
Are they?
Ours is like, I only have 2 that are underneath 6.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go to the method 3. This is going to be another stratified random sample. This one says randomly choose 1 fan from each column. So this time the strata is going to be columns. So 1 row from each column. So now I'm going to just go down the sides and do each column, pick 1. So instead of being 1 through 10, be 1 through 5. Oh no, I did the wrong thing. Oops. I went over here. I should have done this. There we go.
You have 4 3 2 1.
So 1 from each column.
One for each column. Perfect. This one's what you said?
Okay, so let's look at each of our samples, see how they're spread out or close together. And we're going to do a rating. I'm going to have y'all decide which method, so method 1, 2, or 3, do you think will give the best estimate? This is our prediction. So look at each one, and you pick one, put a star by it. Just put a star by the one that you think has the best sampling distribution. And I'm gonna survey you. See what you think. Did you put a star by the one that you think is the best? Method 1, 2, or 3? It's just your prediction. No right or wrong. We're just going to see how it turns out. Okay, raise your hand for method 1. You think method 1 will be the best? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, who thinks method 2 will be the best? 1. Method 3, raise your hand. Anybody not vote? Somebody didn't vote. Okay, so that's our prediction. Let's see if the ones that are together are all together right, or our lone wolves will be right. We're gonna find out. Okay, so, well, if we do multiple samples, we should get a good idea. Yeah. All right, so now it's time to look at the actual data. For each of your samples on the previous page, calculate the average enjoyment. Add your average to the dot plots on the board. All right, so flipping back and forth is what we're going to have to do, unfortunately. But I can have this up, and you can plug in your numbers in the calculator. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh no, sorry, 11, 21. Maybe this will help you, I don't know. 31. That's not right. Sorry, 11, 21, 31, 41. There we go. And so we know this is 45. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to have to flip back and forth or look up here and look at the front side of that paper and see who you selected. Find the average enjoyment for those 10 people that were selected for method 1. Then you're going to do that for method 2 and 3.